Hello Cat, I'm Roger here, Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough. Wanted to do a short video for you of the Toyota Yaris that you're interested in. The car is in great shape for the year. Makes a great commuter car. Some very nice shape. It's got a hatchback. Some nice storage in the back. Do a nice walk around here. Open it up for you so you can see the interior. Put this seat up a little bit for you. So the interior is in great shape. The exterior is in great shape. We'll get inside and we'll check it out. So we're sitting inside here now, Cat. As you can see, the vehicle's in very nice shape. It's got an AM/FM CD player, automatic transmission. I know I sent you a whole bunch of information on this car earlier today, so as soon as we get this video uploaded, I'm gonna get this emailed to you as well. And feel free to contact me here at the dealership if you'd like. My name is Roger. You can reach me at 207-510-2250. Thank you very much.